Who says student living can't be amazing? At Campus Glasgow, every detail is designed to make your university experience exceptional. Choose from a range of sleek en-suites and studios, each crafted to provide comfort and style. These spacious rooms come furnished with everything you need, making you feel right at home. Enjoy fantastic amenities like a fully equipped gym, cinema, games room, and karaoke for fun downtime. Stay productive in the dedicated study spaces or unwind in the social spaces and private dining room. With 24/7 support, CCTV, and secure electronic key entry, your safety is always a priority. Located in the heart of Glasgow, Campus is just a short trip from Glasgow Caledonian University and City of Glasgow College. Pop over to nearby cafes like Fairway Cafe or enjoy a night out at 142B Lounge nightclub. Grocery shopping is easy with Tesco Express nearby, and excellent transport links put all of Glasgow within reach. Make Campus Glasgow your ideal home away from home. Visit amberstudent.com today and secure your spot at Campus Glasgow.